The Alamo Drafthouse Cinema in Dallas will screen the interview on Christmas Day. The news comes less than a week after Sony Pictures pulled its release following a devastating cyber attack.
You are entering into the most dangerous country on Earth.
Seth Rogen and James Franco star in the comedy about a fictional plot to assassinate North Korea's leader Kim Jong-un. The U.S. government has blamed North Korea for the Sony cyber attack. It wasn't immediately clear why Sony had decided to release the film to some theaters, but James Wallace of the Alamo Drafthouse has one idea.
I think it's really the outpouring of people all over the U.S. and the world who want to support, freedom of creativity, freedom of expression, and support cinema.
U.S. President Barack Obama had criticized Sony for pulling the plug on the interview, and founder of the Alamo Drafthouse, Tim League, had led a petition for its release.